What's going on, and welcome to Uncubing, and in this video I'm comparing Rubik's brand Rubik's cubes to Speedcube brands. So I'm not gonna go through all Speedcube brands. I'm just doing a general, doing a general of what Speedcube brands tend to look like. It might not be that accurate in case of how Speedcubes actually feel like, but I'm doing my best here, guys. So the first thing, quietness, or just sound. Now, this makes a lot of sound. Look, even if I touch it, it might be hard to tell from my audio, but yeah, it actually is loud. And Speedcube, it might seem a little loud, but it's much quieter than mine. And that's most because I don't turn accurately. So now let's move on to second thing, performance. I think you know that Speedcubes are obviously better. But let's just see something. I'm going to try to corner cut. And let's try reverse corner cutting. Okay, so reverse corner cutting. And now let's try it on the Rubik's brand cube. So let me find the same. That looks about the same. I think that's the same. Wait. Okay, I think that, and now look. It might seem that was fine. That was fine. That was perfect. It did it, but it would be while that worked, it would be really inconvenient to use install because it's actually really hard to push that down compared to the Rubik's brand. Look. I'm not even doing that on purpose. That actually happens because we're all the corner cutting issues. If I were to do this and then didn't turn fully, so if I did this and then I didn't turn fully, I can't do that other moves. But if I do this and don't turn properly, then it still corner cuts if it's a small amount. And if you turn off, and that doesn't really matter because Speedcubers don't turn that. Because Speedcubers turn at least that accurately. Now, it'd just be really inconvenient to use this. Than this. Now, well, both of these are fine cubes for their purposes. Just a beginner and you just want to learn how to solve the cube, it's fine. When you're a Speedcuber, Speedcube serves its purpose of being able to go fast. So yeah, depending on what stage you are, each of these would be a better choice. So I'm just gonna do solve on this, but I'm not a Speedcuber yet, so I'm just gonna do OLL, PLL, because I'm still after a while takes me a little longer, because it's not just algorithms, it's just you gotta think and it's still a little hard for me to grasp the concept, not algorithms, because it's just like, not algorithms, it's just like, you have to think where all the pieces go, you have to look at it, all that stuff. So first, I'm going to solve the last layer on a Rubik's Cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 seconds on this. No, let's try this. And just to be fair, I gave them both the same scramble. So now, let's do this. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now, you can pick for yourself which one would be better for you at your stage. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Tell me which one, like, at your stage would be better. Tell me which one you would want for your level of confidence and just your ability to solve the cube. I'm not going to complete that. I'm not going to do that 6 times to get it back to solve position because I don't like turning this cube. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, like and subscribe. Bye.